Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who is using Samsung Android smartphone, and any series of Samsung Android smartphone can be used by this method for like Z series, M series, F series, any kind of Samsung Android smartphone. If your Samsung Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then by the help of this method you can unlock your smartphone without visiting any service center and without need any computer application. Okay, but before starting this method, firstly you will have to hard reset of your Samsung Android smartphone. When you complete your hard reset mode, you will switch to this page. When you switch on your smartphone, you will get a such type of welcome pop-up. Here you will get a three options. The first would be show here language option, the second would be start, and the third would be emergency call. You can see here. Okay, so let's check here how you can FRP bypass here. When you will go with this method, it will ask you here your Gmail ID or your phone number. If you have remember your phone number and Gmail ID, you can go through with this method, and if you don't have remembered, then how you will bypass this page, I will show you in this video. So let's have a start this. But before starting this method, you should charge your phone at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before start this method, charge your phone at least 30%. You may also use this method with the help of a charger. At the time of this method, you should plug your phone charger to this smartphone. Okay, so let's have a start this. Okay, just a minute, let's go to the back option. Now after this, simply you will have to click on this start option. Okay, when you will start this option here, you will have to check all these options. Simply you will have to click on the agree to all, then after you will have to click on this agree option. Okay, again you will have to click on the more and the agree here. Again you will have to come on this page. Here you will have to connect your Wi-Fi here, because it's mandatory to go with this method. You will have to connect your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so you can see here I have connected my Wi-Fi network here, and after this simply you will have to click on this next option. When you will go with this next option, let's check what's happened here. Now you can see here it's asking your pattern lock. If you have applied pin or password, that will ask on this page. But you can see here there is another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. So if you have remember your password or pin, you may apply here, but if you don't have remember, simply you will have to click on this use my Google account instead. And when you will click on this option, let's check what's the page comes on my display. You can see here it's asking here Gmail ID and phone number. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you may feed here, and with the help of password you can go through with this page. But if you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, then how will you get the skip option on this page? I will show you. There are some tip and tricks. By these tip and tricks you can bypass this page. Okay, so let's have a start. Simply you will have to go to the back option. Again you will have to go to the back, and again you will have to go to the back, and you will have to reach to the start option. Okay, now after this simply you will have to change some here. Simply you will have to select the language option, and you will have to select the language English UK. Okay, and you will have to click on the OK option. Now after this you will get an option of an emergency call. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. Now here you will have to dial a special USSD code. The USSD code is star hash 0 star and hash. When you will feed this star hash 0 star hash, you will get a such type of page. You can see here you will get a lots of options, but you will have to go in two options on this page. The first one is version option. When you will click on this version option, you will get a such type of display. Here you will get your phone's version. Simply you will have to wait on this page for 5 seconds, and when your 5 seconds complete here, simply you will have to go to the back option. Now here you will get an option of a sensor. You can see here a sensor option is showing here. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this sensor option, you will get a such type of synchronizing option here. So simply you will have to wait on this page simply for 5 seconds. Now when your 5 seconds completes here, simply you will have to go with the back button, and again you will have to go to the back. Okay, again you will have to go to the back. Now after this again you will have to start these options, and you will have to check all these options, and again to do agree. Okay, now here you will have to open your phone's TalkBack option, and for this simply you will have to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Press and release simply, and release. Now here you will have to click on this use option. Again you will have to press the volume up button and the power button again. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L. Here you will get an option of a while using the app. Simply you will have to click on this double tap. Now here you will have to click on this use voice command option, double tap. Google Assistant, open setting. Now when your setting options will be open on your phone display, simply you will have to switch off the talkback mode. Simply you will have to do the same process, power button and the volume up button at the same time here, and release. Now here you will get a lots of option on this page. Here you will have to do some changes. Here simply you will have to go to the option of about phone option. Here you will have to go to the option of software information. You will have to click on this Android version option 12 times, because your Android version is showing here 12. If you are getting here 13 or 14, then you will have to click on this 13 or 14 times. So simply I will click on this 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, now after this you will have to go to the back button. Now you will have to go to the back option. Okay, now here you will get an option of lock screen option. Simply you will have to click on this lock screen option. Here you will have to go to the option of a fingerprint option. Simply you will have to click on this. Here you will get an option of a fingerprint and you will get a pop-up of continue. Simply you will have to click on this continue option 5 times rapidly, 4 and 5. Now the process has been done. Simply after that you will have to go to the back option. Again you will have to go to the back option. Now here you will get another option that is showing here. Let me check. You will have to go to the privacy option, and you will have to click on this alert when clipboard accessed. Simply you will have to switch on this. After this you will have to go to the back option. Now here my friend, all the setup has been done. After all these setups, simply you will have to go to the previous and you will have to close this option. Okay, now after this all the setup has been done, a single setup remaining, what I am going to give you in this process. Simply you will have to click on this agree option. Here you will get an option of add network. Simply you will have to click on this add network option. Okay, when I will click on this add network option, here you will have to type something. The first one is FRP, and the in password you will have to type BYPASS and hash and star. You will have to click on the save option. Now after this again you will have to click on this. Now here you will get an option of settings. Simply you will have to click on this setting option. Now here you will have to firstly go to the down. You will get an option of a reset to default settings. Simply you will have to click on this and you will have to reset the keyboard setting, erase personalized prediction. Now again you will have to go to the back option. Now here you will have to do some more things. The things is that you will have to go to the text shortcut option. You will have to add some text shortcut here. So you will have to type here FRP and the second would be BYPASS, and you will have to click on this add option. Now the all setup has been done. Simply you will have to go to the back option. Again you will have to go to back. Again you will have to go to back. Now after this you will have to go to the next option. You will have to click on this don't copy option. Now my friend, after these some settings changes, you can see here you're getting here a skip option. Simply now you can skip this page. So this was the main motto for this video, that how you will get a skip option on this email ID and phone number page. So now you're getting here a skip option. Simply you will have to click on this skip option and simply you will have to click on this skip here. Okay, now after this you will have to go to the accept. If you want to use new pin pattern and password here, simply you can apply here, but right now I will go with this skip option here. After all setup I will use new pin pattern or password here. So click on this OK option. Go to the next. Skip this page. Now you will get a pop-up of your all setup. It means your all the setup has been done. Simply you will have to click on this finish option. You will have to again click on this agree. Now my friend, you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely unlocked, and the main thing is that you can see here all the application which were in my smartphone, like that Byju's application and the other application which were in my smartphone, as it is showing here. You can see with me. So this is very beneficial method for those customers who don't want to lose their data, and if they don't want to expense money to unlock their smartphone, so you can use this method to unlock your Samsung Android smartphone of any series. So if your Samsung Android smartphone is unlocked with the help of this method, then it's very good. And if your Android smartphone could not unlock with the help of this method, then make us comment which type of issue you're facing in this problem. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of comment. Thank you so much.